coastline of Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar emerges as a testament to nature's boundless beauty and serenity. Stretching for an astonishing 120 kilometers along the Bay of Bengal, this coastal marvel boasts the title of the world's longest uninterrupted sea beach, captivating the hearts of travelers from far and wide. As the sun rises over the horizon, casting its golden glow upon the tranquil waters, Cox's Bazar awakens to another day of splendor. The gentle rhythm of the waves provides a soothing soundtrack to the bustling activities that unfold along the shore. Fishermen set out in colorful boats, their silhouettes against the morning sky painting a picturesque scene of tradition and livelihood. For centuries, Cox's Bazar has been a place of pilgrimage for those seeking solace and spiritual rejuvenation. The beach holds sacred significance for many, with pilgrims flocking to its shores to partake in rituals and prayers. The sound of chants and hymns fills the air, blending harmoniously with the gentle lapping of the waves, creating an atmosphere of tranquility. Alive with activity, offering something for every traveler's taste. Adventurous souls take to the waters to indulge in thrilling water sports. From surfing and jet skiing to parasailing and banana boating, the vast expanse of the sea becomes their playground, a canvas for adrenaline-fueled adventures and unforgettable moments of exhilaration. For those seeking a more leisurely pace, Cox's Bazar beckons with its pristine sands and inviting waters. Sunbathers bask in the warmth of the sun, their cares washed away by the gentle embrace of the sea breeze. Children build sandcastles and fly kites, their laughter mingling with the sounds of seagulls overhead. Couples stroll hand in hand along the shore, lost in the romance of the moment as the sun sets in a blaze of color, painting the sky with hues of pink, orange, and gold. But Cox's Bazar is more than just a beach. It is a gateway to a world of natural wonders and breathtaking landscapes. Just beyond the shoreline lies a wealth of hidden treasures waiting to be discovered. The nearby Himchari National Park offers a sanctuary for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. With its lush forests, cascading waterfalls, and panoramic viewpoints offering sweeping vistas of the coastline below. Venture further inland, and you'll encounter the majestic beauty of the hills and valleys that surround Cox's Bazar. The rolling green hillsides are dotted with picturesque villages and tea plantations, their tranquility a stark contrast to the bustling energy of the beach below. Trekking enthusiasts can explore the trails that wind their way through the countryside, offering glimpses of rare flora and fauna and the opportunity to immerse themselves in the natural beauty of the region. In this captivating video, immerse yourself in the breathtaking landscapes and pristine shores that make Cox's Bazar a true coastal paradise. Experience the ethereal beauty of Cox's Bazar as we journey through lush green hillsides cascading down to meet the turquoise waters of the Bay of Bengal. Explore the tranquil mangrove forests and pristine coral reefs that thrive in the nearby Marine Drive, which is a hub of natural beauty, offering a glimpse into the region's rich biodiversity. Watch in awe as the sun sets over the horizon and the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, painting a picture-perfect backdrop against the endless expanse of golden sands. Feel the gentle sea breeze caress your skin as you stroll along the shore, taking in the sights and sounds of seagulls soaring overhead and waves gently lapping at the shore. Join us as we uncover the natural wonders of Cox's Bazar, from its majestic cliffs and panoramic viewpoints to its secluded coves and hidden waterfalls. Whether you're seeking adventure or solace in nature's embrace, Cox's Bazar offers an unforgettable escape into the heart of coastal splendor.